Hanson brought a helper, a round white disc, but looking at the sensors it seems like a risk. KiKi adjusted his glasses with care. Why is there a red light glowing